A built-in refrigerator is a big investment. Is Miele the best brand to buy? Whether you're renovating your kitchen or replacing an older model, your fridge is critical to your kitchen's look and flow. And a built-in one can add a valuable high-end finish. But since it's a fixture of your home, you want to be sure it'll really last. So I'm here to walk you through Miele's built-in fridge options. Hi, I'm Elise with Designer Appliances. We're New Jersey's leading appliance retailer with 2 showrooms and a website where you can shop and find hundreds of expert reviews and shopping guides. Whether you visit us in person or online, our goal is to take the stress and confusion out of the process for you. In this video, I'll introduce you to Miele's lineup and its pros. Stick around and I'll mention some cons you should keep in mind too. Miele's have features other high-end fridges don't. In addition to the dual compressors and high-end water and air filtration that are pretty much standard now, Miele's have unique push-to-open doors. That means you give it a gentle push and the door opens. No need for a handle. It's perfect if you want a super sleek modern kitchen, but it looks beautiful in a traditional kitchen too. Prefer a handle? No problem. You can switch off this feature. We're fans of Miele's fingerprint-proof stainless steel. My colleague has 2 kids and a Miele fridge at home, and he can't remember ever seeing a smudge on it. Miele makes all its steel at its own refinery to the exact same specs, so every appliance matches in terms of the grain, color, and shine. Mismatches or blemishes can be an issue with other fridges since the front is such a big panel of steel. That's the kind of thing that could drive you crazy. With Miele, you get a smooth, consistent look on your fridge and other appliances. The fingerprint-resistant finish is embedded in the steel, and as I mentioned, we found it really is smudge-proof. It's also easy to clean with a microfiber cloth. Miele fridges have superior interior lighting. 3 LED strips on the sides go from front to back. Other fridges might have square lights that hit only the front. This is a nice high-end feature you'll appreciate every time you open the door. You'll be able to see it all, front to back, even when your fridge is full of food. A couple other things to note. All of Miele's 84-inch tall true built-in freezers have an ice maker and Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connectivity sends you door open alerts and lets you control the temperature from your phone. One other particularly useful setting is the super button. This lowers the freezer temp to -22 for 12 hours to flash freeze everything inside. Then it adjusts it back to your usual temperature. It's great for people who like to cook freezer meals ahead of time or store summer vegetables, or just refreeze softened ice cream or desserts. They're all available in stainless steel or with a panel-ready front for cabinetry. Here's a pro tip. If you order a stainless steel Miele fridge, it's going to stick out about 3/4 of an inch from your cabinets. If you want a flush install, order a panel-ready model with separate stainless steel panels. It'll fit seamlessly. In this video, we're focusing on Miele's fully featured MasterCool series true built-in fridges. Miele also makes a PerfectCool series of built-in fridges, but those are meant to give you Miele quality at a lower price point. They're a bit shorter and they lack some of the features of the MasterCool series. Have a question? Comment below. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the link in the footer to sign up for our email with money-saving tips when buying a refrigerator. Now let's talk details, starting with the styles Miele offers. Miele doesn't make a 48-inch wide fridge like some of its premium competitors. But you can get the same amount of cold storage by combining columns, individual fridge, freezer, and wine cooler units in different widths. Miele makes fridge columns in 24, 30, and 36-inch widths. Its freezer columns come in 18, 24, 30, and 36-inch widths. You can get the 18 and 24-inch freezer columns with an exterior ice dispenser. One thing to note here, the 18-inch freezer column comes with only a left hinge, so keep that in mind when planning your setup. Miele also makes a 24-inch 3-zone wine cooler column with the same nice interior LED strip lighting and 13 solid acacia wood racks. Wondering about the most popular ways to combine them? We see a lot of 36-inch fridge and 36-inch freezer pairings. Putting a 30-inch fridge together with an 18-inch freezer gives you that classic 48-inch width. We also see a lot of 24-inch wine cooler, fridge, and freezer combos. People who want the most fresh storage in an efficient space should consider a 30-inch fridge column plus a 24-inch bottom mount freezer fridge. Speaking of those, Miele makes 24, 30, and 36-inch true built-in bottom mount freezer fridges. It also makes a 36-inch French door fridge with a single bottom freezer drawer. We love that Miele's French door fridges don't have a flap in the center the way most other brands do. You don't have to close one door before the other to get a perfect seal. Are you on Instagram? Follow us at Designer Appliances to see real-life kitchen renovations and get ideas to make the most of your living spaces. To sum up all the pros, Miele fridges can be installed fully flush and have a push-to-open door that doesn't even require a handle. They also give you high-end technology at a lower price point than competitors like Thermador and Sub-Zero, with a similar 20-year lifespan. And you can benefit from package deals and rebates when you buy several Miele appliances at once. I already mentioned the only major con. Unlike with Sub-Zero and other premium brands, you can't get one large 48-inch fridge freezer unit. I'll also point out that Miele interiors and shelves are plastic, not stainless steel as you might find with some competitors. And they have fewer bells and whistles than mainstream brands like Samsung or LG. No cameras here. Finally, you can paint a custom cabinet panel any color you like, but you can't buy a custom color fridge from Miele. For that, you have to go to someone like Smeg, Blue Star, or True Residential. If you think a Miele refrigerator sounds perfect or want to explore your options more, come see us. We'll be happy to help. Not local? You'll find lots more advice here on our YouTube channel and on our blog. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel where we provide helpful tips and advice that will make you an educated appliance shopper.